Here we go, guys. It's Oscam here. There's going to be another video today about the Nokia 6. That phone has came to the market nearly about a year now. If anybody's still looking to buy this phone as a cheap budget Android phone, that's probably the phone I would recommend, because that has a few good things that you're not going to get on any other Android phone. So let me do this unboxing video today, and once I use it for a week, I will do a full review on it. So with this phone, it comes with the Android 7.1 Nougat, and it's a premium quality aluminum body, 4G LTE, volt ready, and it comes with a 3 gig of RAM and 30 gig of memory storage, and you can always expand with the micro SD card. It's a 16 megapixel rear facing camera, and then it has a 8 megapixel autofocus front camera as well. It's a 64 byte octa-core processor, and impressive entertainment system it has. It has a 5.5 inch 1080p full HD display and a smart amplifier for loud sound system. It has a Dolby Atmos as well. So that's the Nokia 6. So one of the good thing about the Nokia phones is that from 3, 5, 6, 6.1, 7.1 and 8, all these Nokia phones, if you buy, they are all part of Android One program. So Android One program is what it is, that they get supported by Android straight away for next 2 years, and Nokia as well. So Nokia have joined that program. So it's more like iOS. Like if you buy any Apple products, it is going to be supported by Apple for next 5 years. So with the Android, it's probably not the same way that it works. So with the Nokia, they're in a part of an Android One program. If you are in a part of Android One program, that you software gets supported by Nokia plus the Android straight away for over the next 2 years. So all the apps and everything else that you'll be using on it, they will be working perfectly. It's more than an Android phone. It is just not a phone. It's more than an Android phone. So that is probably the reason why I probably bought this, and I want to learn how this Android things works. So I would recommend you get one of that if you're looking in Australia under $300 budget Android phone who will work over the next 2 years consistently with every app, with a software system. Then you should get that one. Now let me unbox this, see what they give us with that. So once you open the box, we've got this booklet as usual, like every other phone you get a booklet in there. So it's a Nokia products and safety information, and then you get that phone, of course. That's what we're buying. So that's the phone. Just comes with a charger and a headphone. This looks like, yeah, so you're gonna get all that like every other phone. It's nothing to be excited. It's all the same, and there's a pin as well. So yeah, it's looked to me a decent phone. So it has a quite stylish camera, and